Out here getting gas. Brendan's in the store because he doesn't have shit again. He's gonna pull up with the gas station sandwich. This is what bro brought. He brought like a hairbrush and shit, a bunch of random paper towels, and like a fucking bag of bacon somewhere in here. It's stinking up my whole car. This is just like the hit movie, The Ritual. For real. The new shelter. We're gonna go down that way to the old one instead because we could build shit down there. Alright gang, we're here at the spot. It's all wet and it sucks, but we got the fire going. And we're gonna cook this big board right here and eat it. Shit gonna be busting. Me and Big E, we're gonna go and get more wood because all the wood down here is all wet and garbage.
Oh, you're recording? So.
Yeah, and Brendan left his blades out in the open. Pro tip, don't be retarded and do that.
That's all I need right here.
Bro is moist. Bro is steaming.
I am.
I'm steaming too.
I should have brought a fucking hairbrush.
Brendan did.
Oh,
for some reason. We got the wood. Evan got it in his bag. I got the Canadian Jam Knot 9000 on here. That's all clean drinking water.
Is it?
No, I wouldn't fucking drink it if it was on your ass.
Oh fuck, I should do this outside.
Yeah, you're putting it like right where I was about to sleep too.
This would be nice if we could cut that.
Yeah.
So this is
Imagine if you like chopped into Evan's like sleeping pad. That would have been hilarious.
Halfway to hypothermia.
Alright, explain what's going on, Brendan.
These up over the fire, like so. Put a tarp over it. Covers that from the rain. Gives us a little shelter from the rain, so we can sit under it nicely. You're like right above that.
Replace the scorch board.
Yeah. The scorch board.
Evan, how does this make you feel?
Pretty good, I guess. I'm gonna be glad to be able to dry out my shirt.
Brendan didn't even wear anything waterproof.
Yeah, I at least brought an extra shirt. I might not have brought extra pants, but I brought an extra shirt.
I'm walking around with your ding-a-ling out, but at least your tits are covered. With that. Got the monster set up. So now I can take the board off. Evan's using it as a heated seat right now. Evan, how does the heated seat make you feel?
Oh, so nice. You don't realize how cold you are until you sit on a heated seat, bro.
Chef Evan, what we got going on?
Got some spam cooking in the wok. I took the wok to Poland.
Poland!
And then I got my...
What the fuck going on in Miami?
Hey, this
Brendan, what's on your sandwich?
I don't fucking know.
I don't know. You picked up a sandwich.
Look the wood.
From where? Your house?
So
Or did you get that shit at Cumberland Farms?
Humbies.
Nah, the Cumbies survival
Brendan, why do you bring
sandwich.
fucking Cumberland Farm shit to every time you go camping?
Yeah.
What's under the sandwich, bro?
So,
If it's peanut butter.
I'm gonna eat it anyways, kill myself. I don't know, it's like,
Cheese.
ham and cheese.
Should have got the McRib again.
Did he buy like a Cumbies McRib?
He grilled it up. It was so
Fucking
good. That wasn't even me, bro. That was Brendan O'Donnell. Look at him. Look at his dumb ass holding the tarp up with his butt.
Oh, dude.
Right there, bro. Flame grilled.
Is it busting?
Bustin'.
Nah, I say busting, bro. I should busting. I'm about to go.
Oh, stretched his ass.
Alright, so it stopped raining.
Yeah.
Out of nowhere. It's definitely not a walk, but we're just calling that because it's funny. Holy shit, my this whole fucking thing's about to melt.
Oh, the flame's getting hot.
Evan, is the shirt shield working?
It's not bad, actually. It isn't getting dried, I'm gonna be honest.
So Brendan's upgrading the tarp right now, gonna lift it up so it can actually go out all four sides instead of just gassing us right here while we're sitting on the bench. I'm thinking I'm gonna make another wood run because all the wood out here is sopping wet. But on the new shelter, there's a bunch of wood underneath it. I'm fucking cold right now, my brother.
Why, Brendan?
There's water all over my screen, so it's like fucked up and retarded.
I watch a big fucking droplet drop on your head and fucking blast right into your screen.
I don't mind cutting my jacket was fucked. So
You look like one of those hams, like wrapped in gold foil you buy at Walmart.
throw yourself in oil.
Guys, I was camping and I met Buddha.
Oh my god, it feels so nice on my ass. We cooked the seat.
Yeah, I got my gruel.
One of the best things the Australians ever invented was the word grog.
You guys got your grogs going?
Yeah.
Best coffee in the world. Highland
Shut the fuck up, bro. You always be talking about best coffee in the world.
Brendan, are they paying you? I fucking look at my jacket.
Give me free coffee.
You can see all the steam fucking. Is this the most successful camping trip you've had with at least some of our squadron?
Maybe.
Maybe.
I think the most successful was when it was just me and Sean.
Look.
Why they blorange? Blorange. They blorange.
For real, for real.
Okay, well, yeah, obviously.
Yeah.
Because both of you know what you're doing.
Wyatt honk.
Huh?
Wyatt honk.
I don't know what I'm doing, but I'm a little more intelligent than some of my other friends.
Very. 1,000-degree glowing pipe challenge.
It's not even glowing anymore, but yeah. I'm trying to get that Z.
It's good. You just got to get the line going through it.
Dude, I look so fucked up. So why do good girls like that, guys?
It's a delicate process. Don't judge.
Bro thinks he's a blacksmith.
Brendan, aren't you an asshole paver? Gang, have you heard fucking... Just, you heard fucking...
Eli, you're sitting in the fire.
No.
Like, what the fuck are you doing, bro? I'm touching the burning log with your fucking
I need
boots.
fucking wood. Have you heard...
No, you can't see shit.
The fucking alien...
You cannot see it at all. Like, light keeps flashing off and on.
Over the hills. Oh shit. It's not gonna pick it up if you're flashing the light over there.
It's not gonna pick it up in general. Rhythmic ass flashing. Alright, guys, I got the bedtime setup. Brendan's still hanging out over there. Evan's a breakfast burrito right now. I'm about to grub on this pad thai in a bag. Let's peep the review. There it is, guys. Got the Eli and Evan ASMR in the background. I'm more than aware. That's pretty good, guys. Negative IQs. Hey guys, I'm looking the wrong way. Hold on. So Eli doesn't have anyone to rape that he usually does, so he's raping Evan right now. He's got his legs literally thrown over fucking Evan's ass. He's gotta deal with this shit. Bro, look at that video. Dude. What the fuck?
Dude, you're shoving it too much. Not gonna make a difference.
Evan getting the grog.
No, because I figure if I did pick this up, like later on, it's gonna be retarded. I'm gonna be fucking
You should have heated up the water in the kettle, put that in the bottom of your bag. Nice hot bottle.
I'll put a hot bottle. Fuck. You're right, you're a smart man.
Facts.
Thanks, Brendan.
Please do it now, Corey. That'd be so based.
What do you want, Eli?
What is Eli doing?
Hitler went to
I don't know. Huh?
asked you, do you believe if Hitler went to heaven?
No, he's the Antichrist, bro.
No? Or what if you said I want to forgive my sins and believe in you, God.
That's retarded, Eli.
Chef Evan with breakfast.
It's not coming out.
Breakfast.
Yeah, I have an idea. Set the can down. That now should come out. You might have to finger blast it.
I feel it like.
Oh, there it is. Just move this up
It's gonna have plastic and applesauce flavor.
Yummy.
and can. Lower it like right on there. Flame grilled spam.
For real.
Brendan ditched us in the middle of the night, so it's just me, Evan, and Eli. I'm going to get tongs from the new shelter for Evan to grill up some spam for breakfast. Look at this
Oh my god.
entity.
Yeah, everything's like clear, dude.
Put them back on Evan. He looks like a fucking...
Like an obese Max Mofo.
Yeah. Say something Max Mofo would say.
Nope. Yup.
Give me another one. Give me another one.
It's far away. I'm gonna fucking beat you like that. He fucking poured water in the bird on my head. Bird on my head. Prezzo, edit in a picture of a polar bear. Prezzo. Put the wiggler on the screen down here. Yeah, and then put the ba-bomb. Yeah. And
The
then
ba-bomb.
Prezzo, edit a Koopa Troopa for the cocks right now.
For the cocks.
I'm Cucumber Joe.
Eli, holy fuck, bro. Bro asked for a hole as well. Just get away from you. This is why segregation works, bro. Eli poured water on me like a prick.
Evan, can I see my glasses?
I've been scratching my asshole for the last 5 seconds, bro. It should feel so
I
good.
kind of real they are very similar to mine, but it was like everything was in like fisheye lens kind of. It looked really weird. That's why Gavin, he looked like he was like a foot closer than me.
Oh, okay.
That's not Eli. Literally, a fucking Diabulb 8 Neanderthal.
Eli, what the fuck are you doing,
Tries to
bro?
my fucking Pop-Tart.
He's
He's hungry.
He's looking like...
put my hand on my arm, and I was like,
I did the exact same thing.
I did that.
I think we're like psychically linked.
Yeah.
I'm thinking of a dinosaur.
Bro's just gonna say yes to whatever I said. That's how in sync we
What
are.
is it? What is it?
Negosaurus.
That's actually a dinosaur. That's actually true. Pterodactyl.
Fuck.
Kill yourself.
It's a Triceratops.
Nah, I was thinking that, but I was like, nah, Evan's fat. He already doing that.
Nah, see,
Oh, that was
when I was a little kid, I always wanted like the fast characters because I was like, I think I just like wanted to be not fucking obese.
Evan, give me the piece of that chocolate, my brother.
Yeah, but
Pop-Tart.
I haven't tried it either.
Bro is gobbling the whole fucking thing because he doesn't want to have to share with Eli as well.
I thought you were just like
Bro is actually getting fucked in the ass right now. Eli bore a hole through Evan's bag with his dick. Right into his ass.
My pillows.
Brendan's gonna get negative sleep.
You're getting sleep anyways, not on.
He's on a fucking
that.
hardwood floor with. He bought a wool blanket that you like bought on Amazon. Wool review.
niggas calm down.
Evan getting
Look at
fucked
them,
in the background.
fucking
Evan,
see
you
him
legit look like a rape
On
victim.
your legs, hands only went up and down, up and down, up and down. You're giving that fucking puppet a fucking blowjob.
bro is giving you. Did you get some shrapnel, Brendan? It's all wedged in your teeth and shit, bro. You look like Leatherface, right?
Like entirely on my shit.
What the fuck, bro? He's like full Nelsoning you into submission.
Like, you're so fucking breaking me.
I'm just standing here.
I'm so glad I'm like a whole extra person away from that.
You're just glad that I'm in between you and
What's going on? You guys look like a cartoon fight. Skinwalker just looking at all of us. Like what the hell? What the fuck you doing over there?
Hang out there.
Nothing but a badass tarp setup. Kind of looks like a stingray. Not really. Pretty cool. Eli, why do you gotta be so fucking gay when
Niggas office all night.
so much room.
No, I don't.
Eli, what the fuck are you talking about? Bro's got so much real estate.
Yeah, I don't know what he's doing.
Bro's like Donald Trump.
No fucking
You-
evidence.
you
because
broke-
he's like
Because he's fat? Like, oh fuck, I'm crying.
I'm fapping on my invisible.
I'm crying because of how mean that was. This nigga. Thinking he can get some sleep. Bro got the whole ass Amazon.com blanket burrito. Evan, do that again. Bro, zesty.